just because Halloween isn't quite the same this year, it doesn't mean that it can't still be fun. So let's make it the best one ever with these fun, easy and spooky games to play.
Some of the best games involve mess. Don't worry, it hoovers up after. The first one to find all 4 sweets underneath the flower is the winner. Go! You did it! This is the easiest, most budget-friendly game ever, and they love it.
You can print this free Halloween bingo game from Channel Mum. I will leave the link below.
Me.
Who's got a rat?
Me.
Ah, well done! We have a winner. That was so much fun. If you want some downtime now, there is a list below of the best family-friendly Halloween movies. And if you want to decorate your house too, click here. There are tons of DIY decorations. I'm off to make mine.
Boo, 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 boo.